coordinator, teachers and students. My name is Siddharth and I am here anchor for today's school assembly conducted by Grade V Hazel. Welcome to a brand new day full of new opportunities and possibilities. Let us ask for the grace and blessings from Almighty God by offering prayer. We have to buy these trains not 50 million and UK under new defense deal 64 Indians. National news. Odisha CM and Joseph Durgapur Bangalore survived full of support. Thank you. Today's parents' audience is brought to you by Karen from Hazel. Stadium. Telangana 190 IPS officers moved to graduate to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy to Distance for an October 17. Sport news. Virat Kohli receives 20 points ahead of Australia ODI series. He is a guru. Thank you. My name is Sarata. I am studying 6th grade. Today Newer is brought to you by Sarata from Grade V Hazel. Newer, divide. You prepare something with careful and intelligence. Friends, please spell after me. Divide. Divide. Meaning. Prepare something with. Careful thought and intelligence. Thank you. I am Khalid from Grade V Hazel. Where is going to ask GK questions. Question for grade 1. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question for grade 2. Which is the largest desert in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Sahara Desert. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 3. What is the short form of Optical Mass Mission? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is OMR. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. What is the abbreviation of ITS? Indian Police Service. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Indian Police Service. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. What is 9 cube? 739. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 739. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 6. What is 9 into 9 into 1 plus 9 minus 50? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 40. Let us appreciate it. Thank you. Have a fantastic friend. Today's speech is brought to you by Utrecht from Grade V Hazel. Each on evergreen forest. Like all forest, evergreen forest gives some food, also have rings like Saturn. Fact number 2. Saturn has three rings in its ring. Fact number 3. Japan is the cleanest country in the world. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Aishwarya. My name is Kritika of Grade V Hazel. Now we are going to do conversation. Hey, how are you? I am fit and free. What about you? I am good. What are you scrolling through on your phone? You know, Ritika, I am scrolling about the Nobel Peace Prize winner of 2025. Nobel Prize, what it is? A Nobel Peace Prize is an international annual international award. Who won Nobel Peace Prize of this year? Maria Corina Machado won the Nobel Peace Prize of 2025. She is amazing. Her fight for democracy in Venezuela is inspiring. Definitely, she is a role model of standing up right. Thank you, Aishwarya, for updating me about Nobel Peace Prize of 2025. It's okay, Ritika. I think all my friends have learned something today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, humidity 95%, precipitation 11%, wind speed 3 kilometers per hour. Thank you.